In the canyonlands of eastern Utah, a proposed site for the state's first nuclear power plant. Located outside the town of Green River, the plant would generate electricity for 3 million homes and provide a much-needed economic boost to the community.
Tax base here in the town of Green River, total tax base, all the farms, all the businesses, all the residences, everything involved, totals about $39 million in taxable value. This project would be taxed at probably somewhere between $5 and $9 billion.
But the Green River itself, a major tributary of the Colorado River, controls the fate of the first atomic power plant in the West in 23 years.
Whether it be oil shale or coal gasification plants or nuclear power plants or so on, quite frankly, there's not enough water to support all these things.
The nuclear reactors at Green River would require 50,000 cubic feet of water annually, enough for 100,000 homes. Blue Castle Holdings, the company hoping to build the plant, wants a controversial water deal with neighboring Utah counties. As a result, objections have been filed by both conservationists and federal agencies.
Up until probably 10 years ago, people believed that we had plenty of water, that Utah's allocation would go a long way. And we knew that sometime things would tighten up, but I don't think anybody thought that demand for water on the Green and the Colorado would tighten up as quickly as it has.
Supplying all the water needed to the proposed nuclear plant would threaten water supplies for more than 1 million people in Utah's Wasatch Front. Currently, more rights to water exist than the rivers can actually supply.
There are demands for water for municipal use, for industrial use, for irrigation use, and at the same time we have environmental considerations.
Diminished river levels would also threaten the survival of 7 species of fish, 4 of which are listed as endangered.
In a river system such as this, even a small incremental drop can strand endangered fish habitat. Endangered fish, in a way, don't have a water right at all, except for what we provide to them so that they can continue to exist.
The nuclear plant at Green River could take years to build and cost between $7 to $15 billion. But the biggest hurdle is the limited supply of the lifeblood of the West, a problem now being considered by the Utah State Engineer. For Assignment Earth, I'm Gary Stryker.